Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of leap. A forceful jump or quick movement. For example, she came downstairs in a series of flying leaps. American pronunciation. Leap. Leap. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Leap. Say. Leap. Leap means forceful jump. Leap. Leap. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. In one quick, strong leap, her horse jumped high, long, hard. Now, repeat after me. In one quick, strong leap, her horse jumped high, long, hard. The second practice. He runs in the 4.4 range and has a 37-inch vertical leap. Now, repeat after me. He runs in the 4.4 range and has a 37-inch vertical leap.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.